Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today we're going to talk about how to play offline radio on your iPhone. Now, it's important to start by saying that the iPhone doesn't support offline FM or AM radio. The reason for this is simple. There's no built-in tuner in the iPhone, which is needed to receive traditional radio signals. However, if you want to listen to radio-style content offline, there are some good alternatives. One option is to download radio shows or podcasts. Apps like Apple Podcasts or third-party podcast apps allow you to download episodes so that you can listen to them later without needing an internet connection. Some radio station apps also offer the ability to download specific programs for offline playback. Just keep in mind that live radio broadcasts will still require an internet connection. If you're looking for offline music, you can always create playlists in apps like Apple Music or Spotify. While this isn't the same as traditional radio, it's a great way to enjoy your favorite songs without needing to stream. Just download the songs to your device, and you're good to go. For those who really want to listen to traditional radio frequencies offline, you would need an external accessory like an FM receiver. These devices can pick up radio signals, but they don't integrate directly with your iPhone's system, so the experience won't be as smooth as using a native app. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped clarify the options available for offline listening on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. See you later.